The kneeling hip flexor stretch is by far one of my favorite stretches. However, it is something that you do have to pay attention to form with because it is an easy one to cheat. So if you have any questions on how to find a neutral pelvis or how to know if you're dumping forward or posteriorly or backward, check out that video first just to kind of see if you're aware of what you're doing with your pelvis going into this. So for the kneeling hip flexor stretch, you are going to kneel. And then what we are trying to avoid is dumping that pelvis forward and really having excessive range of motion forward. This should be, if you're doing it correctly, a rather small motion, just because this is usually pretty tense on people. So if you're getting a ton of movement, look to see if you're not dumping that pelvis forward. So to correctly do it, you want everything in line, tuck that pelvis under so that it's nice and neutral, and then just gently kind of glide forward. You should feel stretching in the front of the thigh, not pinching in the hip. So again, this is a hip flexor stretch. I like to use this in combination with some active stretching as well. It's just a good way to kind of calm down some of that tension to start.